nourishing and nurturing ourselves is so important in challenging times. It is crucial that we have the ability to ground ourselves, to recharge, to, in a way, replenish and nurture ourselves. And yes, that can be done via diet, movement, sleep, and rest, but also that sweet peace which we can find in meditation. So I invite you to join this 10-minute meditation in which we'll get nourished not only by the big rain starting here in the tropical surroundings of Bali, but also nourished by our heartfelt care, by our genuine and sincere intention to take care for our own well-being. So please assume an upright and comfortable position to nurture yourself. So arrive in a comfortable pose. Take a few deep breaths to open the chest. Nurture yourself with oxygen. And then with the next exhalation, gently close those eyes. And while breathing out, we relax into a soft pose. Continuing to breathe deeply, to nourish ourselves. Not only with oxygen, but also with a vital life force known as prana or chi. Breathing into the heart. Nurturing ourselves with each and every breath. Softening the attitude. As we allow ourselves to go deeper, opening our hearts, to nourish our soul. with loving kindness and compassionate understanding. We nurture our own well being cultivating a caring attitude, radiating from a warm heart. Breathing deeper into the heart. Keeping the eyes closed, gently moving the spine, bringing a sweet smile onto our lips, and then opening the eyes, welcoming yourself in a recharged, nourished, and nurtured atmosphere. As we celebrate here in Bali the big monsoon rain, nourishing the earth, Mother Nature, Pachamama, which in Bali is called Ibu Pretivi, Mother Earth, who is nourishing and nurturing us. Thank you for joining this short, sweet, and deep meditation. Best wishes. Stay recharged. And if you're curious about more practices, sign up for our monthly schedule where we are sharing with you plenty and plenty of practices to recharge, replenish, and nourish your soul. See you on the inside. Namaste.